Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, we're going to check out some of the best deals going on at your local Harbor Freight. So let's dive in. All right, we're going to get started with some instant savings deals right here. You can see these for the respirator, 11 bucks. We also have some lights here for 24 bucks. And as you see that they are just the white tags, but these are meant to be the yellow ones here. I think they ran out. I'll show you some more of the yellow tags later on. Got the screwdriver bit set, pretty large set right there for 5 bucks. Also have some saw blades here from Warrior. Again, it's a good DIY option, not the best option. It's not going to last you a long time. We also have a little micro torch here for 12 bucks. Great thing for a couple DIY projects. Then we also have some Bauer tools, a little belt sander there, and a couple other options here, even a palm finishing sander. So solid deal right there. A little knee saver here, kneeling pad for 5 bucks. Again, a great thing for that one. We also have Chicago Electric electric planer. Then we have the cordless power cleaner. It's not quite a pressure washer, but it's still a little power cleaner there. And then we have some boxes from Apache here for 35 bucks, whatever you need to put in those. But different colors and different brand, or same brand, but different color options there. So pretty good deals on those, whatever you need some storage in. Then we have some Quinn little sets here. Different ratcheting sets, 25 bucks. So different ones depending on which one you need. And then we also have some Pittsburgh options as well for 12 bucks. Some deep socket sets. Great thing to keep on hand. I use the deep socket sets all the time for random stuff. Got some Braun flashlights. And we also have a couple ratchets here for Pittsburgh. Got some clamps right there, 5 bucks. So again, whichever one you need. Then we also have some impact adapter sets for Pittsburgh, 6 bucks on these. More Quinn. I really like that tool right there, 16-in-1 tool. So many uses for that. Do all kind of stuff with it. We have the remote start switch for Maddox there. A couple safety glasses here you can check out. Pretty good prices on those there. Then we have more Pittsburgh tools. Got some torque wrenches here, 15 bucks. Another click type torque wrench there. So check those out depending on what size you need. We also have some towels here, shop towels, 10 bucks for that one. We saw these on a big sale recently for, again, their parking lot sale. Always keep some jumper cables with you. If you don't have a jumper box, jumper cables, great thing there. Grab that. And then we also have the little bottle jack here, 4-ton option from Pittsburgh. A few more deals here. We got the soldering iron, 5 bucks there if you need one of those from Chicago Electric. We also have some spray bottles, 5 bucks if you need one of those, a couple of those actually. So pretty good deal on that one. Ratcheting tie-down straps, always great to keep some of these in your truck or in your shop. You never know when you'll need those. Use them pretty often myself. We have some Merlin air tools here. You can see accessory kits, different ones, different prices on those. And we also have some chip brushes here for 11 bucks, pack of 36. Even the pressure washer foam cannon down to 30 bucks there. And then the ammo can, 14 bucks for this one. Then I did want to show you guys some of the Inside Track Club deals going on right now as well. Again, you will have to pay 30 bucks for becoming an Inside Track Club member. It will pay for itself sometimes in one purchase. So if you're interested or if you purchase a lot of things from Harbor Freight, might as well go ahead and become the Inside Track Club member. But you can see some of these deals going on right now. You also get special deals kind of throughout the store. And I will show you guys some of the deals. There are some special deals going on just for Inside Track Club members, even on top of their normal Inside Track Club deals as well. So you can see some of these, and then I'll show you a couple of those that are all throughout the store here in just a moment. You can see a bunch of different hoists and winches there, and then also this Hercules bench grinder down to 170. We also have some zip ties here, 330 on those. Great thing to pick up there. Another Inside Track Club member, the air reciprocating saw, down to 60 bucks. Here is the one I was talking about. We have the Inside Track Club. They have the 7-day super deals going on for them, 42% off. So you can get some of these as well as some of these other deals I've been showing you guys. Pressure abrasive blaster here from Central Machinery, $140 for that one. I also have the ratcheting load binder here for $40. Good price on that one there. Paint and stain sprayer, Avanti. I feel like this is always on sale at some point, whether it's in the ITC members or if it's just on like regular sales. We have some Hardy gloves here for $4. So another good price for that one. And Vanguard has their extension cord, the triple tap option here for $73. So you see that one right there, 50-foot option. Good deal. And they also have another one here for a little bit smaller option as well, but the 50-foot and just the regular extension cord there. Another great thing to stock up on are some of these batteries here. You get these for right under $6, depending on which ones you need. You can check some of these out, but a lot of these are on sale for Inside Track Club members. We also have some shop lights. Get to save about $10 on that one, so not a bad deal. We also have the ones right next to those as well, depending on what size you need. You can check those out. $29 for that one there, both in the bronze section. Then we have some super glue. Great thing for any DIYer. $2 there. Another deal, we have the 2-ton profile aluminum floor jack here for Pittsburgh. You get to save $80. Really good price for that one right there. So if you're interested, great time to go ahead and get one of these, especially if you're Inside Track Club members. We have the dollies here. You can save a pretty good bit on that one. So if you need any of these auto dollies, check those out. Another great deal on the creeper here. You can save 37% off. Always a great thing, especially if you're going to be working on your vehicle or you need it for your shop. And they have the different colors, so you can check out the colors, see which one you might need. Also, let me know in the comments what you guys plan on grabbing, or if you've grabbed anything during these deals. I'd love to know that. And feel free to leave a like and subscribe so you never miss another deal. Got electric chainsaw here from Portland. Another great thing to check out, $40 there. You get a 15-piece screwdriver set, 50% off. Really good deal right there for Quinn. Great thing to check out. Another just instant savings deal is the detail brush for $250, and then another shot at that Braun tactical flashlight. I didn't show it for super long earlier. We have the Bauer belt sander. Check that one out for $170. And also the bench grinder here for $39. 6-inch there. We also have the vise, if you need one of those, for Central Machinery, $70. We have the cleaning drum machine for $329, also from Bauer. A lot of deals on Bauer right now. You can see some of these other ones for Bauer as well. So really just depending on what you might need. Good deals on these and saving if you're Inside Track Club. And then we also have the auger as well right here for, $69 there. Warrior had the instant savings, so a solid drill for $35. Warrior's not the best brand, but it will do the job. And we have the cutoff tool for Bauer as well, down to $28. So another solid deal on that one. But overall, I think it's a solid deals going on right now at your local Harbor Freight. Let me know in the comments what you guys plan on grabbing. And if this video is helpful, feel free to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.